Hey guys! Welcome to my channel Pros and Cons. Today, we're diving into the future with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of innovation. Before we explore its incredible features, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech. Now, let's jump into the world of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 features are: stunning 6.8-inch drop screen. The S24 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch drop screen design, offering an expansive and immersive visual experience. The seamless blend of technology and aesthetics enhances your viewing pleasure, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply browsing. Model number: S24 Ultra. Elegantly designed and named, the S24 Ultra reflects the pinnacle of smartphone technology and style. Multi-language support. The S24 Ultra is designed to cater to a diverse audience, offering multi-language support to ensure ease of use for users from various linguistic backgrounds. Global connectivity. Compatible with the world's 50 major communication carrier networks, the S24 Ultra ensures that you stay connected wherever you go. Enjoy seamless communication and data access internationally. Advanced camera system. Capture every moment with precision using the 48MP front camera for stunning selfies and the 72MP rear camera for high-quality, detailed photos. Elevate your photography game to new heights. Massive storage and memory. The S24 Ultra boasts an impressive 16 GB of RAM paired with a massive 1 TB of internal storage. Run multiple applications simultaneously and store a vast library of photos, videos, and files without worry. Dual SIM card with TF card support. Stay connected effortlessly with the dual SIM card slots, supporting both main and deputy lines. The TF card slot allows for expandable storage up to 256 GB, ensuring you have ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. Long-lasting battery. Power through your day with the 6,800 mAh lithium-ion battery. Enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power, keeping you connected and productive throughout the day. In-display fingerprint unlock. Secure your device with the in-display fingerprint unlock feature, combining state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly convenience. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the incredible features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Click the link in the description to purchase amazing product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech adventures. Until next time, stay connected and stay curious.